If I had to start my photography business from scratch in 2025, I wouldn't spend a dime on gear upgrades. I wouldn't focus on designing the perfect portfolio, shooting for free, or chasing followers. I'd focus on 5 moves that actually build a profitable business from day one. Now stick around, because number 5 is how you stop looking like a freelancer and start operating like a real business. And don't forget, in part 2, I'll show you how to use the problem you solve to identify the right rooms you should be networking in, as well as what to do when you get there. Because leaving a network event after giving away all your business cards, that's not a win. Plus, you'll get a step-by-step networking prep kit available to the members at FlashFilm Academy, all right? But first, before we get into this thing, roll my intro. What's good? It's your boy Ty Turner, former Army combat photographer and the founder of FlashFilm Academy. This ain't one of those YouTube channels run by a guru living off brand deals and selling you pipe dreams. We don't sell fantasies. We build profitable content businesses. Everything we teach is battle tested in the field and used to land real clients, real contracts, and real results by me and by real FlashFilm Academy members actively in the trenches. So let's break down the 5 things I'd do first if I was launching my photography business in 2025. Let's go with number 1. First, I'm picking a profitable niche, not a style. Most beginners start with a look, but what gets you booked is solving problems. This is where most people struggle because it requires discipline to say no to creative temptations and say yes to solving specific needs. Do this instead. Find a niche that has money behind it. Event photography, real estate, restaurants, corporate branding, personal brands. Ask who actually needs photography to make more money. You got to think like that. Who needs what I offer so they can make more money? Now, inside FlashFilm Academy, we teach you how to identify your best niche using AI tools to understand market demand and based on the equipment you already have access to. So you're not guessing, you're planning. Number 2, identify your ideal client. We call it a B2B avatar. Most photographers chase everyone, but high-paying clients, they want specialists, not generalists. Do this instead. Get crystal clear on who hires you, what industry they're in, what problem they're facing, and how your images help solve those problems. Once you identify your B2B avatar, you can add strategy to your marketing and networking. Now you know exactly what rooms to be in, what events to attend, and what language to speak. The truth is, most photographers attend networking events hoping to get lucky, not knowing how to move with intent. Imagine offering the perfect solution in a room full of businesses actively struggling with that exact problem. That's not marketing, bruh. That's matchmaking. Number 3, create a real offer, not just a gallery. Most new photographers launch with a portfolio, but no clear offer. Do this instead. Instead of pushing packages that sound transactional, start offering custom visual solutions aligned with client goals. Say this instead: we build custom visual solutions based on your goals, platforms, and timelines. Let's talk about why it works, because you're not just pitching services, you're positioning yourself as a strategic partner who support their business objectives. Now here's a real world example for realtors. Let's create a visual strategy that helps you dominate listings, look like a pro on social, and build instant trust with buyers and sellers. That's how you want to present what you offer, not we take real estate pictures. And real quick, don't forget to grab the free Capture and Convert kit. It's your blueprint for turning cold leads into book clients. It's free over at flashfilmacademy.com. Go check it out. Let's get to number 4. Learn sales psychology before you obsess over gear. I cannot stress this enough. A better camera won't help you ask better questions. Do this instead. Learn how to run a proper discovery call. Master the art of understanding pain points, guiding the client to clarity, framing your offer around the business goals. You can rent lenses, you can rent lights. You can't rent your ability to speak the client's language. Now we teach this inside FlashFilm Academy because once you know how to speak like a strategist, price becomes irrelevant. Number 5, build an onboarding process with real CRMs. DMs and random emails kill trust. Do this instead. Build a real onboarding experience using a proper CRM CRM. Set up a professional intake form, a clean booking calendar, automated welcome emails, confirmations, reminders, and prep guides. Use tools like HoneyBook, Dubsado, or 17 Hats. That one move immediately makes you look like a company and not a content hobbyist. Now, here's some bonus. 5 quick start steps you can take today. 1. Write a one-liner. I help audience get results by using whatever your skill set is. Here's an example. I help local restaurants increase foot traffic by creating mouth-watering food photos designed for ads and social media. Number 2, launch a one-page website with niche-specific messaging. Number 3, use scheduling tools to eliminate back and forth DMs. Number 4, create one irresistible offer tailored to your ideal client. And last but not least, post 3 times a week showing behind the scenes, testimonial, and transformations, not just pretty pictures. Now look, if you learned something valuable today, hit that like button or heart button on this video. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're serious about content as a business, make sure you subscribe and follow so you don't miss a drop, fam. All right, you got it? Anyway, let me say this before I go, because thanks to YouTube gurus paid to push gear, most photographers struggle because they think gear equals value. They believe word of mouth will build their business, but that's a 1990 business model that died with Yellow Pages. What you really need is a system. If you knew better, you do better, and now you do. So what are you gonna do with it? Every business needs content, so why aren't they hiring you? When you're ready to answer that question, when you're ready to build a business and not just a portfolio, you come on over and join FlashFilmAcademy.com. We've helped thousands of content creators become confident, profitable, data-driven problem solvers for high-paying clients. And guess what? You can be next. Now, if you're a Flash Film Academy member, go ahead and meet me over for part 2 because we got a lot to talk about.
Hello everyone, my name is Mario Martinez here from FoodisMediaSolutions.com, and I want to talk a bit more about my experience as a Gold member at the Flash Film Academy. I've been a Gold member for the past 8 months, and I cannot say enough about it. I'm growing with the community. I love the fact that everyone is heard. We all grow together, we all learn together, we all express each other's opinions respectively and respectfully, I apologize, and we all give guidance. That is one of the most important things, is that we all give guidance to each other, and that in itself is worth millions to me. I have learned a lot from not only Ty, but other entrepreneurs that are growing their business and they're already at a level that I want to be at. So not only do I recommend it, but I encourage you to come and join the Flash Film Academy Gold membership and come have fun. Come talk to people that are that I know you can relate to, and spend a good Thursday evening just having fun, interactive, learning, and being actively in here. So once again, Mario Martinez with Foodis Media Solution, a Gold member at the Flash Film Academy.